Air fryer Friday. That's FRY day, not Friday day of the week, because every day is an air fryer Friday. And so today, you have seen me make this before, but I'm doing it a little differently. But this is chicken nuggets, or as you may also see, it's clear out your chip cabinet chicken. So we got chicken breasts and lots of different chips, pretzels, even a bag of pretzels from an airplane, my airplane pretzels. I have all these little bits. What I'm going to do is make the breadcrumbs with them. We're going to put them on those chicken breasts, and we are going to make chicken tenders. Let's do it. I started by taking my chicken breasts and cutting them in half because they were thicker than usual, and then I cut them into strips to make my chicken tenders. I could also go ahead and turn these into chicken nuggets like I've done in the past, but I wanted to do them a little differently and have them as tenders so I could dip them in sauce. So I have my egg beaters, which I put in here. Egg beaters are great if you have these on hand and you're just needing egg whites, because that's what egg beaters is primarily made of, is egg whites. And so I put about a cup in my batter bowl here, my Pampered Chef batter bowl, and now I'm gonna add my classic ranch dressing. Now, this can be made with any seasoning you want. I just find the ranch seasoning to be the most flavorful, and it has everything. So I'm gonna mix that up. I did half of the packet. I'm gonna use the rest in my bag. So what I'm gonna do is, most of this is tortilla chips. I see that there's even some blue corn tortilla at the bottom. Anything, literally any chip you can use. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna add flavor with that ranch seasoning. These are airplane pretzels. And I think pretzels go great as a coating. It adds the right kind of crunch and salt. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that ranch packet, that ranch seasoning, you're gonna add it into here. So now we're gonna crush these up. Usually I take my mallet to it. Ta-da. Now you know, anything you can make in your oven, you can make in your air fryer. So remember, we just put these in here. Then put them in our bag. All right. Okay, we're gonna take our chicken, and I have one rack. I'm gonna put one rack on top, and then I'm gonna make another rack and put it on the bottom. So I'm gonna air fry for 8 minutes. And that's all there is to it. Because we used our Pampered Chef Air Fryer, they're gonna come out nice and crispy and nicely browned. And I think they're delicious, but don't take my word for it. Let's see what my favorite critic thinks.
Oh, wow. Wow, there she is. Yeah.
Crunchy?
Oh, yeah.
So good.